What's up, guys? We back with another video. It's been a little while that I haven't posted. Like I said, I'm just swamped with work, trying to catch up. Name of the game right now, but I got a lot of videos coming. We got a lot of cars in. We're gonna be doing a lot of work. So like I said, just a lot of the stuff I post on my Instagram, Rob's Customs. If you guys want to check it out there. I'm trying to do my best on recording, but a lot of the times I'm on a tight deadline. I'm trying to get these cars out, so getting back to the customers. So but we got a lot going. Today we're gonna be working on a Silverado extended cab that I worked on. I did a tight window, double cylinders from Roswell. I believe it's from Roswell. The homie Angelo, he's gonna be coming down, dropping it off. I'm gonna do a monster knee C-notch, cut his bed open, and then do a little bracing on the C-notch. Something simple. Day and a half of work. Waiting on him to show up, drop it off, so I can start taking the bed off and start getting to work. Got the C-notch here ready to go. I do have the homie Jesus's crew cab. We're gonna be doing bags on, tubs, bed liner on the back. So stay tuned. Like I said, we got that video, and we got a crazy one today. Well, not for today, but coming soon. If you guys can read that plate, New York. So I don't know if you guys remember Louisiana. I did a panoramic from Louisiana. I thought he was gonna be the furthest customer I have ever gotten from Louisiana. Turns out this guy right here, a little hatchback Volkswagen, little turbo car, brought his own panoramic skin. This guy drove like 2,000 miles from New York. I believe he went to Florida to pick up the panoramic, then he came to Albuquerque. But shouts out to him, Jose. You're coming up next. Like I told him, I was just down the line. All my tickets are still there. Just working down the line. You got an appointment with Rob's Customs. Like I said, just be patient. I'm gonna get you guys, get the next one going, get the next one rolling in like a snowball effect. But yeah, I'm getting super swamped. All the way from New York, Brooklyn. Shouts out to Jose. Like I said, he's coming up next. It does have the panoramic inside and the skin on top. I'm gonna trim the skin up, but yeah, that's crazy. Rob's Custom work will be in Brooklyn, New York. So I'm gonna take care of this guy. I am gonna be installing the panoramic, painting the roof, doing the suede headliner. He actually has suede already inside, so I'm just gonna cut it out and wrap it with the panoramic. But yeah, that's crazy. Big shouts out to Jose coming down here all the way from New York, Brooklyn, New York. So all right, guys, waiting on the truck. We're gonna go ahead and like I said, start taking off the bed, lights, the harness, put the bed to the side. I'm gonna cut the bed to the very end like I usually do. I'm gonna power wash the frame, axle, and all that, get that all power washed and clean. Then I can start getting my measurements for my C-notch. I'll get some videos. It's only me today. It's usually just me all the time. I did have my helper. You guys have seen him on his other videos. It was Nate, but he ended up picking up some more extra work at our full-time job. He used to work with me, but he used to help me out a lot every Saturday, but now it's back to me, one-man crew here. So it does take a little bit more time, but that's it. Wait for the customer to arrive, go from there. Alright guys, here's the truck all the way, I guess Roswell, Carlsbad, Roswell, one of the two, can't remember. But I did double cylinders on this with the purple suede and the Titan window. We're gonna be going with the monster notch. Alright guys, we got the bed off. What I use is when I'm by myself, I use a engine hoist, and what I did on mine is I just put a bigger square tubing on it so it could reach longer into the center of the bed. Put a bolt on, made a hole here. Use this with some straps, all 4 corners, and you'll be able to pick it up by yourself. Here's what she's looking like. It looks sick. I like how trucks have no bed, but when you're fixing them up, it starts to really look more like a project truck. But I'm gonna degrease the frame. I'm gonna clean it up, power wash it, and then I'm gonna go ahead and start on the easy side, passenger side C-notch, and get that done, welded. Because I don't have any of the hoses, any brake lines, anything in the way like I do on this side. So I'm gonna get this side knocked out, start on that side. Alright guys, got everything all washed up, degreased. Now I'm gonna go ahead and pull it in the garage, put some jack stands under it, take the wheels off, and start on it. Alright guys, we got one on. We got one notch on. I'm gonna go ahead and install the bottom piece, which is this one. Tack it in place, make sure everything is good, and then go ahead and weld it in. This one just goes in here like this. Tack it in place, all 4 corners, and then fully weld it up. And then I'm gonna go ahead and paint this, spray some undercoating on this, and then we'll move on to the other one. Alright guys, stay tuned. Alright guys, she's all done. Went ahead and put a round bar next to the C-notch for bracing. Check it out.